I'm Anne from Lifestyle Cleaning Services. I run a local cleaning company here in the Hunter Valley, and we have over 50 staff and an award-winning company. Rather than having 50 emails in your inbox every day, it's a lot easier just to be able to archive it. I have different labels, so things I need to do, people I need to call, or things that I can actually do another day, so that you're actually not opening and closing the same email 5 times a day, trying to deal with it and procrastinating on what not to do. IT Genius has definitely changed our productivity with our supervisors and our admin staff to make things very efficient and very streamlined. I would recommend IT Genius to anyone to make sure that they want an efficient team.